Good morning, good evening, good night, whenever you guys are watching this channel. First, subscribe. I'm going to show you how to register to vote or to check your voter's registration status. It's very simple to do. You can do it on your phone or on the computer. I'm going to show you here on this computer. But what you want to do is first go to this website. You can go directly to your website if you're from Texas, California, Florida, whatever. But this is the national website. I'm going to show you. I'm going to click here. And it's www.nass.org/can-i-vote. So if you look up here, I'm gonna copy this right up here and I'm gonna put it in the description below, so you can just click on the link. But once you do that, you go down here to the bottom and you click any one of these. If you want to register to vote, you just click here. Or you want to vote, check your voter's registration, or your find a voting poll, or a valid ID, or stuff like that. So I'm gonna check my voter registration status. So I'm gonna click on it. And once you click on it, go down here and find your state. And I'm gonna find Texas. So I'm gonna hit Texas. Once you hit Texas, it's gonna take you to your Texas website. Or like I said, if you already know, you can go straight to your website from there. And here's the criterias. So you can do a valid ID or a Texas driver's license and your birthday. Or if you don't know your driver's license, you can use your name or county. So I'm gonna just show you right here. I'm gonna click on my name and county. So I'm gonna type in my name and just fill in the stuff that has the stars. You don't have to put your suffix or anything like that. I'm gonna put my last name and I'm gonna put county, Harris, and my date of birth, and my zip code where I live now, and I hit submit. As you can see, it found me right there. It got my name, my voter's registration, and all that. And you can click on here. The next election, general election, I can start voting is on November the 8th, and I can click here and show all the election sites. So that's how you register to vote. But if you want to, we're gonna click this again. I'm gonna show you something here. Like my son, he needs to register to vote. So what I need to do is go here, hit register to vote. And like I said, find my state, Texas. I click on Texas and register to vote, eligibility, or you can just start right here your new voter's application. So click here. What you have to do: U.S. citizen, yes. Will you be 18? Yes. And then you can start filling out the application. Your first name, last name, your gender is optional, your telephone number. Make sure you get your social security or driver's license ID correct and the last 4 digits of your social. Do not click this if you already have a driver's license. This right here says I have not been issued, so you don't want to check that. You want to put your county and your address, and you already got your address. Let's see, yeah, put your address, and you don't have to fill this part out right here, because if you're using the same mailing address, unless it's different. And then you hit submit. Once you hit submit, it'll bring you up to a page to where you can print your application. What you want to do is print it and then mail it in. You want to print it before the election date and mail it in. So once you do that, and you can probably check back in another 3-4 days and see if you registered to vote. So that's all to it. Like I said, this is the website, Can I Vote? It's the national website, and I'm gonna put it in the description below. And just come down here and find what you want. All right, thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a great day.